welcome to Spandan Learning. Today in this video we will make Power Rangers Dino Charge Energem. See, I can wear this also. I have made one blue one also. Let's see how to make this. So before we start this video, I want to tell you that for pasting today in this video I will be using fevibond because I will be using foam sheet for making Power Rangers Dino Charge Energems, and here are some important things written before we use it, so you can pause the video and read. It is not compulsory, you can use fevicol and hot glue gun also. It is optional. So let's begin. So first cut a rectangle from foam sheet of length 9.5 cm and breadth 8.5 cm, and take a cutter and first make line like this with the help of pencil and apply a little force and cut it like this. So let me cut these all. As you can see that I have made this cut. So from this it can be the shape of energem like this. So for pasting this I will be using fevibond. So let me paste it. Now cut two pieces like this. Paste one here and one here like this. So now I am going to insert clay inside it for giving it some strength and weight. It is not compulsory, it is optional. I am just inserting it for giving it some strength and weight. As you can see that after inserting clay inside it, it having strength and weight. And now apply a fevibond here and paste it here and cut the extra part. Now take a foam piece and paste a magnet here with the help of hot glue gun. And now paste it here and cut the extra part. Now cut a piece from foam sheet like this and make sure it fit here, and now paste it here like this. And now take a foam piece, paste it here and cut the extra part like this. And now paste a magnet inside. And now take a piece like this, paste it here like this, and then paste it here. It's painting time. Now take a thread and pass it through this and tie the knot. I have made blue energem also. You can make energem of your choice. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss my new videos update. Bye!